Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a can opener, electric can opener. This is one of those ones that's supposed to be cooler than all the rest. And I have a can of beans that we're gonna try this out on, green beans. So let's see what we got here. We have the instructions. Wow, that's a lot of instructions for this thing. But we're gonna try it without instructions. So here we are. This is what it looks like here. And it looks like it's gonna take 4 double A's. Lucky for me, I have 4 double A's right here in my hands. So let's see. I'm gonna put them facing the right direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there we are. Okay, so the way this works, it's got a magnet to hold the lid, and you basically put it on here and push the button and let it go and do whatever it does. Check it out. Oh, it's moving around. How cool is that? Right, I'm not exactly sure what the magic is that it's doing, but it's taking this lid right off. Does it stop by itself, or do I need to stop it? I guess I need to stop it myself. I don't know. Well, oh, it does. I guess it does stop probably. It probably would have stopped by its own. But look at that. The lid comes off like this. I have no idea what it's doing. I guess it's just somehow slicing it along the edge instead of slicing the top like you normally get. So what you're going to get left with is, I'll just empty out some of the water so I don't spill it everywhere, is a flimsy kind of top, but it took it off very neatly, and that top is not even really sharp right now. Like, usually these it's so sharp when you've cut it. This one here, it's not sharp either, but you can still strain the stuff just like you would normally. So I'll strain out the water. I don't think I want my green beans in the water. I'd like them dry, but then see, there we go, and it's super cool. And I might even be able to put this back on again. So if I wanted to save it, I could probably even just tape over it, where those normal lids, when you just get that little lid in the middle, that's useless. But kind of cool. I like this one, and it was super easy, and it's kind of nice. I could just set it up to go by itself while I go do something else even. So I'm gonna say this is nice. It says KingGardan is the brand, so thumbs up for me.